it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and today I've got another sport karate hand combination for you. Great combination to add into your extreme or creative, even musical form, and add that element of speed and different dynamics. I'm just going to show one slow all the way through before we break it down. Are you ready? Let's go, guys. Starting feet around hip width apart. We're going to the right with a chop punch in a nice forward stance. From here, ridge hand with that back hand, really nice and big, coming over the top in a downward motion. We're then going to reverse that ridge hand, coming back up, opposite hand come round, and then down. So in effect, it's like a huge windmill. Finishing with a ridge hand on the opposite side. From here, back hand that's in the chamber is going to come all the way around with another ridge hand, but horizontal. At the same time, you're going to lift up this left leg, the back leg, into like a knee chamber. Placing it down into a horse stance with a side punch here like so. From here, keeping the arms similar position, we're going to switch them, turning this horse stance into a forward stance here. So an outside block with the back arm coming out extended. From there, this back leg, we're going to bring in behind that front leg. So from here, back leg comes in and then onto the knee. Bent leg in front, straightens out into an overhead punch. Okay, so we're coming down, different dynamic, different level. We're then going to come up onto our knee in a punch and then get a spin here on the knees. If you're feeling pain in your knees or you're unable to do this section, just come back to standing here and then do the spin standing. So if you would like to do that, you're just bringing that front knee in to meet the back, opposite leg steps out. If you want to take it down to the floor, from here, same thing applies. Front knee comes in, back knee comes out. And there you have it. Let's go again from the back. Chop punch to the right. Ridge hand all the way over with the right. We're going into that windmill action. Right hand comes up, left hand down. Back hand's coming through. Here, down. Change that horse stance to a forward stance. Stepping that back leg through. We're going down low. Right hand on the floor. Left hand and left leg shoot out into that low punch. Coming up onto our knee for the punch. And finishing with either rotation standing or on your knee. So, there you have it. Let's see one of those fast.